If equipped, the Forward Collision Warning System, or FCW, can alert you to a potential frontal collision. FCW uses information from the front sensors, electronic brake controller, and wheel speed sensors to calculate a probable collision. When the system decides that a collision is probable, you'll hear a chime and a warning message will be displayed in the instrument cluster. When the system determines that a collision is no longer probable, the warning message deactivates. FCW alerts may be triggered by objects other than vehicles, such as guardrails or signposts, especially when driving on a curve. This is a normal part of FCW function. Please remember, forward collision warning is not designed to avoid a collision on its own, nor can it detect every possible type of collision. The driver has the responsibility to avoid a collision by braking and steering. The system can be turned on or off in your Uconnect settings. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.